spoiled. So, we maybe should put this one down first, and then we should put this one here. We have to try not it to fall down, otherwise it will be spoiled. See, it can sometimes go, and you can sometimes hold it if you want to. So you can get another one. We have to get another one, and then we need to get like this. See, now we need to get one more at the top. So we have to get like some triangle. We need we need a big one because we just done a big one. So these are my big ones, I think. Yeah, this is my big one, and now we have to make another one. So we can get a little now. We can try and do it again, what I just told you. So the first one. We're doing the same as my first thing I done. So make it like in London, something in London. 26 squares and 18 triangles and 2 squares. Okay, so look, I'm making like a box again. So then we have to put this like this. Yeah, and then we have to really get the, oh yeah, we need some triangles. We need big ones. So where's the big ones? Here's the big ones. So we have to like put them put them on the free, how much we need to put. Like this. Yeah, so like this really. And we have to like this. So this is how it first goes, like so when now. So we have to really put these here, so it can stay, and now I need to do the other one with another triangle so it stays stable. Like this, so I done like this, and it's like a bridge, it does really look like. But it when you go in, so the cars go in. So now, because there's one box underneath. So we put like this, and then we need one more, so 2 more to make. We have to make another box, like a box. One more on. But then we need to make another thing of these because we have to do it on our side. Let's do it.
I think it's a London bridge, isn't it?
It is a London bridge.
Making a London bridge.
Yeah, I think they actually go on the bridge because there's water under, and then they go down, and then it goes onto a ship. Really? I think so. It's onto a ship. I actually think so. Let's just put this there, and then we have to make it again. So I need more squares. Like maybe we do a big one, but yeah, let's do a big one. This one's now. Now we can do little. It's big. Now another one. Let's make it. We have to make a little one. So yay. but it's not really hard because there's like a little one at the top, so this is little too. So now we have to put these things on it. So like that. When it's already been two there holding together and magnet, that means you don't need to hold it. If you let go and see if it doesn't fall, that means you don't need to touch it and hold it. So let's do it now. So there, we just done it. You have to put one in between, and then you need to do triangles. Yeah, every side you have to go from on this. So first from there, from there, from there, from there, from there, from there. So the same, this here and here and here and here and here and here. We actually have to put like triangles everywhere. So yes. Watch me, everyone. This sun might fall, but it doesn't matter. Need to concentrate now. Everyone just watch me now because I need to concentrate now. So that, I do it. And it can sometimes still fall if you bump in it. So like that, it will go like this. So done. So now we're done. Yay! Look, I done it! Woo! I hope you enjoyed this video. You should now buy these, or because I got these from my grandma. One of them, because I have two, because I got only from one of my grandmas, and then I done it. Bye. I hope you have a nice day. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and click subscribe.